I'm Lori Heiden, a garden coach at English Gardens. My job is to make it easier for you to create a beautiful garden. English Gardens offers an array of services in our retail stores for a do-it-yourself gardener. You can even hire me to come to your home with our yard and garden or lawn consultations. I'll give you on-site advice and answer questions. Let's say you just moved into a new home and need help identifying plants. I can do that. Or if you need suggestions for new plants, I can give you recommendations. If you have questions about pruning your trees and shrubs, I can give you tips and even show you how. You can schedule a visit by calling our retail stores or visit EnglishGardens.com. You'll find more information about all our services, including our award-winning landscape design and installation services. From concept to completion, we do it all. I'm Lori Heiden, your garden coach at English Gardens, helping to make your life beautiful by making gardening easier.